In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Forms responses with others. Sharing your Google Forms responses can be incredibly helpful, whether you're working on a team project, managing event registrations, or collecting survey data that needs to be reviewed by others. Let's go through the process step by step so you can easily share your collected data with colleagues or collaborators. First, ensure you're logged into your Google account and have access to the Google form that contains the responses you want to share. Once you've confirmed this, navigate to Google Forms by entering the URL into your web browser or by accessing it through the Google Apps menu. Open the specific form by clicking on its title from your list of forms. You'll be redirected to the editor view where you manage your Google form. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and select the Responses tab. This tab reveals all the responses you've received so far, displayed in a neat summary view featuring graphs and mini reports. It's a great overview to see how the data is shaping up at a glance, but to share these responses, you'll need to dig a little deeper. Look for the tiny green icon at the top right corner of the Responses section, which resembles a spreadsheet, and click it. This action will open or create a new Google Sheet populated with all the responses. Using a spreadsheet makes it easier to organize, analyze, and share your data. Now that your responses are safely nested within a Google Sheet, it's much easier to share this information with others. In the top right corner of the Google Sheets interface, you'll spot a blue Share button. Click on it to open the sharing settings. Here, you can add the email addresses of the people you'd like to share the responses with. This step is crucial if you want to control who can view or edit the sheet. Just type the email addresses of your collaborators and choose the appropriate permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, based on what level of access you'd like them to have. Feel free to add a personalized message to go along with the invitation, explaining what the sheet is about or what you need from them. Once you're satisfied with your selection, hit Send. This action triggers an email invitation to the recipients, granting them access to the responses in the Google Sheet according to the permissions you set. If you need broader sharing options, you could also generate a shareable link by clicking Copy Link in the share box and adjusting the permissions as needed. Remember, privacy is important, so always make sure that the information being shared complies with any data privacy regulations and policies relevant to your organization or project. Now, enjoy seamless collaboration with your team using shared Google Forms responses. That's it for today, and now you're all set to confidently share data from Google Forms.